Does this top the McDonald's burger?
That's tough.
You've got to come here hungry. That's where I'm taking some points away.
Is it edible? I don't know why it's called bushwhackers yet.
I don't know.
Out of 100.
You're going to have to come back to me on the points.
Buongiorno. Here we are at Bushwhackers, which is somewhere to the northwest of Joburg. We're going to do this with the timing. We're going to do it with the taste, obviously. That's the most important part. Edibility. How dirty is it? Presentation. And then obviously value for money. We've just placed our order. This is exciting stuff, guys. Right in the bush here. Pretty cool little place.
It's called Roos Lancia. It's a common glory bush. And it's very significant because it's always got trifoliate leaves. Always. Okay. That's how you can tell straight away, and the bark.
Yeah! That looks pretty good.
The presentation is spot on.
Very much.
Wow.
It's delicious.
Oh, that's a pepper steak.
Yeah.
No?
No, a pepper sauce.
Pepper sauce.
The presentation is spot on. It's got height. It's got juiciness.
Timing was half an hour exactly from ordering to getting served. That's not bad.
It's kind of relieved.
Sides are
And we are going in.
Good chips. Onion rings are good. A little bit doughy, but they've got some kind of a spice on them. Chips are on point. There we go, going in. Whoa, dude.
It's dirty.
Does it taste good? Pepper, sauce.
definitely worth the wait to get to this point. So it's my first burger here ever. I've been here before, but this is my first burger here. It's a sturdy burger. It's held together. It's got height.
It's amazing. I love this burger. Had it before. Will always get it.
Say no more. It looks homemade. Out of 100.
Yeah, 95.
95.
Yeah, I love this burger. I agree with my dude on the flame grill. I think it would be nice with the flame grill. I don't know how they cooked it, but it was very juicy. Good points. Oh, I don't know. You're going to have to come back to me on the points. I need to think about this one.
Jury's on the fence. What about you, sir?
I think in the late 70s. I think the patty is really good now. It's really, really good. I think the sides are fantastic. But there's one or two critical points, specifically the cheeseburger and how you place the cheese and how you grill the cheese on the burger and then present it. So that's where I'm taking some points away.
78, 95.
I love this burger.
I'm going to give it 82. Because originality, handmade patty, which is very good. Onion rings, maybe not so good. If you like this, it's great. Very good drinks. 88. This is going to be a hard one to top, guys. Does this top the McDonald's burger?
Yes.
You don't know yet. Right, here's the damage, guys. We're looking for value for money as well. I think it's on point. This is roughly exactly what you expect to pay for a burger. Service was good. The sides were okay. Burger was handmade. Very cool. So now we're going on to the next one. Thanks for watching this one.